can't do it. Don't know how. Never been shown. I feel like I could just ring NRMA.
Look, the NRMA, they're a great institution. If you ring the NRMA for a flat tyre, it's kind of like ringing O because you've got an itchy back and requesting an ambulance.
So I popped in to Yamba Towing and Smash because I know these guys may have taken a couple of cars to the workshop here in the past with a little dent or two. And they have a tyre on a vehicle that needs changing right now. So they're going to go through it with me, which is fantastic. And I offered to give them a hand, but we'll see what happens. Look at these things. Fancy tools. Look at this. What's that?
Impact wrench.
Impact wrench. This is Lee. They call him Tangles. I don't know why they call him Tangles. Look at this heavy duty. Look at this. They're all hard at work. All hard. Look at this toolbox. I don't know what any of that stuff is. It's kind of heavy. I don't know if I'll even be able to lift that.
I'm going to get this sorted first, and I'm going to show you how to do this.
Right.
It's not going where my eyes are going.
Is that a fancy jack?
Yeah. That's how we roll here.
Oh, fancy. We're fancy in here, huh? What's that called?
That's your wheel nut, that's what holds it on. So,
Okay.
literally just make sure this is on the whole way, which it is. Pull the trigger. Okay. There's two. I said I was going to do one. You're up.
Okay, first go. I've never done this before, ever.
On the way. Pull the trigger. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on the whole way. Yeah, pull the trigger. Yeah. Go on.
You go loose.
There
That's
you
not
go.
right.
We're done.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want more? What are you good? That's all right? Yes.
Now, easy way to get rolling. That's all. There it is.
Okay.
I need to put this one on. The easiest way to get this on, we've got to line wheel nuts up with holes in the wheel.
Yep.
Holes are low, so I roll it up. Get it the right way.
I'm going to put you watch this one.
No problem.
You're going to put that in the other way, and we're going to do it that way, are we?
Yep, so starting first. Stop that, couple of turns. Doing up tire. Never do the first one up as hard as you go. When you drive, you go diagonals. So I'll pull them on.
Either way. Okay.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Did you get that?
Right, so.
What about Jack?
Well, one after that one roll, so you do it solo.
Wait, no.
Let it down.
Tangles, Bowen said that calling the NRMA to change a tyre is like calling the ambulance if you've got a sore back. Is that true?
That is true. Yeah, you don't do that. Anyone can change a tyre. You've got all the tools in your car. No weather jacket, which is this a safe area right here, front rear, front back, whatever side you may do. Just jack it up, crack the nuts, take it off, put them back on, do it up, and away you go. You're not wasting valuable shopping time if you're a female, particularly on the side of the road for over an hour.
Okay, you made a good point. Did you just say crack the nuts?
Yeah, that's what they're nuts. You'll get right in here.
Yeah.